Hey man, we're at the SEMA show 2019. It's the Automotive Super Bowl. Currently right now behind us is the 2019 Chevy Colorado that we've dubbed hot off the press, which is all about AutoGear, AutoNation, and Flat 12, all balled into one build right here for the SEMA show. For me, it's all aesthetics. So to sit there and label one favorite thing about the truck, it's not. It's how the whole thing came together. It's from the bumpers that we chose from the AutoGear portfolio, the side steps. It's the wheel and tire package, finished off with the fender flares. It's all the interior accessories. I mean, if I guess I had to pick one thing, it's probably that because those custom seats we did with cat skin. Those one-off seats are killer. You know, I'd like to take credit for everything I do, but my wife likes to shop a lot. So we actually were in a mall. That's where I get a lot of my inspiration. I happened to be at a Versace store, and they had a jacket that was exactly newspaper. It was all newspaper articles. And I thought, wow, how cool would that be? How we could take everything that AutoNation's accomplished with AutoGear and represent that on a truck, which would be engaging for people to come up and read about, and take it to a next level. We had already done a graffiti truck. The first year we did a Sharpie truck. We also did a one-off Mercedes. So the whole deal was with this is we wanted to do something for the Chevy folks, so there's so many AutoNation Chevy stores. Chevy did a great job with this Colorado right out of the bag, making it look aggressive and tough. And we wanted to add to that and make it like the ultimate beach cruiser party machine. And I think we accomplished that. Here's the thing, we like to follow trends. And like when we did the Sharpie truck, we were thinking outside the box. Nobody had ever wrapped with a Sharpie marker on a truck. It had been painted on from other things, but nobody had ever done with the concept that we did. And so for us, it's always that next level thinking. And I don't know that I've thought of it yet.